Hello guys, it's day 2 now, so I'm finding the trade for this werewolf. So I want, wait, I want to be trade for two two plus storage, two plus fruit storage, yeah, two plus fruit storage with my lightning, so it will make a great deal. There's my lightning. Um, I want to find someone got traded, and some of the comments are uh, pretty good and not yet already. Okay. Um, I want to see one of you black fruit users can offer this with two fruit storage that I need it. If someone watch this, um, um, please please trade it with me. And the the way you're gonna communicate is through messenger. I don't have discord because that's where I got a lot of scams there, so I don't know if anyone can do it. um or you can just message through TikTok. Yeah, through TikTok. So I hope there will be a better offer there.